What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going over Fantom, guys. I'm doing my best to get the most out of the natural light from this hotel room here. So we absolutely exploded since our last video here with Fantom. I've been away for a couple days traveling on planes on layover, so I haven't been able to make a video, but I have been making some absolutely juicy profits trading Fantom. So currently we're up 31%. We're sitting at $1.95. We're sitting at a market cap of 4.96 billion. 24-hour volume is 1.92 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto ring app. It's my favorite app for investing, incredible benefits. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So in my last video, I talked about the EMAs on the 4-hour. And when Fantom has the bullish cross on the 4-hour chart, we barely broke the EMAs until we saw a bit of a larger correction. So I said there's a very high likelihood of us bouncing off $1.35. Now we did come a little bit lower here. We came down to $1.28, and then we saw an absolute price explosion for Fantom. I had dollar cost average in at this $1.40 level, and I had buy limits all the way down to $1.20. So many of my buy limits were hit when it came down to $1.28, and I rode the rocket ship all the way back up and made some incredible profits on Bybit, guys. Sign up to Bybit. Fantom has recently been added. You get $50 just for your first deposit within 48 hours, as well as $600 in bonuses. It's my favorite platform for leverage trading. So we've hit our price target, guys. We came all the way up to 194. I have taken my profits out on Fantom. I will look to re-enter here. So that was an incredibly juicy gain from our bounce here. Wow, if we go all the way up to the top of our wick, 58% gain. Could be much more if you're trading it with leverage. You can check out my full link tutorial if you'd like to. So we're going to go to Fantom here on the 1-hour. So there is something I want you guys to notice here on the 1-hour chart, and that's the fact that we have a bearish divergence, higher highs, guys, lower highs, signifying that the bulls may be running out of steam here. Now what may happen is we just come down to find support on the EMAs, or we come back down to $1.66. If we look at the long versus short ratio, we are seeing shorts increase a little bit here on the 12-hour time frame, 51% short. So that's something to keep an eye on. I think we may see a back test of support here where we either come down to the EMAs. We could even just come down to this previous swing high. And as you can see here, we've broken our previous all-time high, which is incredible, guys. Fantom is my favorite coin to trade right now. I've been making some incredible profits, guys. So our next targets are all the way up at the 1.272. We're in price discovery here, 236, 260, and 301. Just keep an eye on this bearish divergence on the hourly. We've already come back down to our previous swing high at 186. So keep an eye on the EMAs on the hourly, as well as $1.66 as a back test of support. We can see here on the 4-hour, we are overextended from the EMAs. So it would be healthy for us to see some consolidation, a little bit of a back test of support. The same with on the daily, guys. We're quite overextended from the 20 EMA. And the harder we pump, the harder we'll correct. So what we want to see here is some consolidation in between about $1.66 and 186, 194. If we can consolidate and allow the EMAs to catch back up to the candles, it's much healthier for continuation than if we just continue to pump here. Always a possibility to continue to pump. As you can see here with Fantom, the pumps are just absolutely incredible. And the bulls are still showing a lot of strength for Fantom. So your next price target, 236. If we quickly look at Bitcoin here, it does look like it's coming back down. I said in my ADA video, we're most likely going to see a retest of 52.8K, but we may also be creating a little bit of a bull flag here for Bitcoin. So if it were to break out, it's a huge target here, breakout target. There's your flag, guys. Could take Bitcoin all the way up to about 58.9K. So do keep an eye on that pattern. But as of right now, it looks like we're coming down for a back test of support. So let's finish off the video here with Fantom. Quick shout out to the Discord, guys. Over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee. Great way to stay ahead of the game. We have our friend Crypto J who shorted Shiba 30x leverage for a 583% gain. I wouldn't recommend 30x leverage, but Crypto J is a bit of a wild one with his leverage trading. So let's end the video here with Fantom on the 1-hour time frame. So do keep an eye on this bearish divergence. Of course, it can be invalidated if the bulls really step up and we break through once again. So if we do bounce here from $1.86, do target $2.36 in price discovery as your next level of resistance here. And if we lose this level of support, watch the EMAs on the 1 hour and then target $1.66 if we see a bit of a larger correction. Would be still very healthy even if we came down to $1.66. We're looking really strong for continuation, but if we can hold this level and we can consolidate, then Fantom can push all the way up to $2.36 and $2.60. So that's it for this one, guys. Make sure to sign up to Bybit if you want to trade Fantom with me, along with many other altcoins. You can check out my full length tutorial and grab your $600 in bonuses. Check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.